Today we are looking at a Super 68D seed cleaner. This unit has been brought into the shop and completely checked over with all of the worn components replaced. The unit has a brand new hopper. The unit has brand new bearings on the lower fan and on the main eccentric shaft. The upper air bearings checked out perfectly. The unit is in very, very good condition. It's been brought into the shop, has all new V-belts on it. It has been mechanically checked over. The unit is equipped with a single phase 10 horsepower electric motor. The unit checks out very nicely. As I said earlier, this unit has all brand new V-belts. This is a very, very nice machine. The unit has all brand new cable, brand new rollers for the traveling brushes. This unit is set up with the traveling brushes. As you can see here, brushes have all been timed. They have new rollers. Everything on this unit has been thoroughly checked over and is in mechanically sound condition. The unit is ready to go to work and run for a long, long time. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. As you can see, the unit hums right to life. There are no irregular noises. The unit is in fantastic condition. The unit is counterbalanced. You can see the traveling brushes in action. This unit is counterbalanced from the factory. As I said, the eccentric shaft has all new bearings. All of the bearings have been anti-seized as well, so if there is any future problem, they will come off easily. Here's a look at the hopper, gears. The unit runs very smooth, very quiet. There are no irregular noises. Here's a look inside the fans. This is just a very, very nice machine. The unit is available for purchase with no lead time. The unit is not spoken for. This is a very, very nice seed cleaner ready to go to work. This has been a look at the Clipper AT Ferrell Super 68D. A link to our website will be in the video description down below and following the video. Please see our other videos for all other seed and grain processing equipment. Thank you for watching.